Here's how to access the alignment menu on a Lexmark T650 printer. So you're going to want to make sure the printer's off using the power button on the side. And then while turning on the power button, hold the down and right keys on the keypad. Keep holding down the keys. And once the printer comes back up, you should get access to a hidden menu, and from here you can go into registration and change your top margin, and this is how you can push text down or push it up depending on what your issue is. And then once you restart, you should be good to go.